Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is an interesting one. Where do I start? Okay, let's start by, can you subscribe first? Can you subscribe to my channel? Okay guys, so after I'm still like trying to process the whole thing. So after I did the try on, yeah, Fashion World and the Jet and stuff, so I tagged Fashion World on Instagram on the clip that I had posted. So after tagging Fashion World, they contacted me, and there was like they sent me a DM saying, oh, they want to work with me, blah 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 blah. And you know, I was super excited because I'm like, oh yay, free clothes. Okay, so I give them my details and stuff, and they send me an email, and in the email they state that okay, they're gonna be sending me clothes, they want my sizes, they what else do they say? They want my sizes, they want me to do another video doing a review. Okay, I was just like, yay, great. And okay, a week later, a week past, I think a week and a half, yeah, a week and a half passes, and then I get the package. Super excited because I'm thinking, you know, clothes, new clothes. Okay, so but at first, honestly, to be honest with you guys, at first I wasn't so excited because I was stressed because I'm thinking, okay, are they gonna know the style that I like? Are they gonna know which clothes to send me? And I was hoping that they're actually gonna maybe, I don't know, go through my Instagram and see the type of clothes that I like, or maybe I don't know, see from the clothes that I picked out and see what to send me. And I was just like, I was very disappointed. Like, I was very disappointed. Okay, before all of that, let me just back it up a bit. So I got the thing in the package name. It was in a medium-sized box. It had a little ribbon thing going on. And I was like, kind of excited, you know, but at the same time I wasn't excited because I'm like, okay, what clothes did they send me? So okay, I get the package, I put it in my room, and like I think I waited for like 30 minutes or so before I opened the package because I was just like, I don't know. So finally I decided to open the box and stuff. Yo guys, I actually wish I did this, like I think I filmed immediately. No, not filmed immediately as such, but like I opened the box, like show you my first reaction, like while opening the box and seeing the clothes. Because now I opened the box, but I haven't tried them on. I opened the box, I checked the clothes, and I was just like, no ways. Like, no ways, Fashion World. No ways. Let me just show you guys. You guys think maybe I don't know, maybe they exaggerate. I haven't tried the clothes on. I'm gonna try them on for you guys just now. And I'm not excited. I am not excited to try these clothes because I feel like none of them are my style. I do not like one item. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say these clothes, you know, are they the best or what. No, I don't like them. But I'm gonna try them on and show you guys. Okay? Okay, the first item. This is a dress, né? It's a dress. It was 175. Let me actually, it was 175. It comes with the doek, guys, ne? Here. Okay, I'm gonna wear it and show you guys how it looks on my body. I haven't tried, like I said, I haven't tried any of these on. Maybe I might change my mind when I put the clothes on. But I don't think so. I do not think I'm going to change my mind. Here it is. I don't know. I'm not trying to like wear it clear right now and stuff, but like here, I don't know. Mixing up my hair even. Here's the first item. I don't know. What do you guys think? Maybe there's someone out there that actually likes this dress. If you do, you can, I don't know, always, I don't know, DM me. I can give it to you. I don't know where I would wear this. Maybe at Tando's wedding. Yeah, she would kill me. I don't know. I don't like this dress at all. There's nothing about it that says me. I really don't like it. Let me try the next item. I think the next item will be, oh, there's a skirt, this skirt. Yeah, and yes, guys, like, I'm so confused as to how they came about, like, picking the outfits. But I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna be trying everything on, and you guys will let me know what you think. Maybe I'm just overreacting. Maybe I'm just overthinking things. Maybe I don't know, but like, I hope you guys can see. And the full length, yeah. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, this is another item. I don't know how I feel about it now. Like, I really don't. I don't see myself like wearing this anyway. Maybe when I'm like by myself at home and like there's no one around and I'm just chilling and like maybe want something to sleep in. I don't know, but like, I really don't like these things. I wish Fashion World would have actually given me a voucher and I go shop for other things that I would like to review. Not that these things, not these items that they sent. I'm sorry if I'm being, I don't know, otherwise, but like, I really feel like they should have, I don't know, like they should have researched a bit, or maybe us, I don't know, there's so many things they could have done other than like doing this, because now I'm not gonna stand here and just lie and say, oh my gosh, they're so great, and I'm not trying to do that. And yes, I really don't know, maybe I'm just chilling and like just took a shower, maybe like there's no one around and stuff, maybe, I don't know. Let me just try the next item. It says, sorry I'm late, I don't want to come. I don't know, I seriously just don't know. It has a hoodie thing going on, and this one was 80 rand. Yeah, I really don't have a comment right now. I don't. Let me just try the next item. Next up is this skirt. I didn't even like bother like wearing a top. I just pulled the thing up. The dress. I'm sorry I'm late. Next up is this skirt. I don't know. I don't like this skirt. There's nothing I like about it. Yeah, this is how I feel in this. Again, I don't see myself wearing this. It's not me. I really don't like it. Here's the full length, if you guys are interested in seeing the full length. Yeah. And then this dress. I think I would have liked it if it wasn't this print, because in some of the things that I was reviewing, I had something like this, but it was like animal print, and then the other one was just plain. So this is the second, not the second, the other item. I don't know. Yeah, this is it. I want to try what's next now. The jeggings. Do I really want to try them? I don't know. Let me just show you the shoes. No? I'm going to show you the shoes they sent me. They sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 5 pairs of shoes. I'll just show you guys just now. We're almost done. Let me know what you think about the video. My lighting, I know, is still a bit messy. Like, guys, I don't have a light, so I'm filming with natural light. So, but I hope that it will actually come out nice, better than the other one, because I didn't really like the quality. But I only saw when I posted the video. When I was busy editing it, it was fine. But like when I saw on YouTube, it was just like not the greatest. But like, I hope this one is better than the other one. So let me just show you the length. Here's the length of this one. It's quite long. Yeah, it's quite long. And let me just show you the shoes. It matches, the dress matches with my eyeshadow, at least. I mean, I don't know. Let me just show you guys the shoes. And okay, so they sent like Like I said, they sent me shoes as well. So they sent me these heels. This is how they look. And they sent me these boots. I think I would have liked these boots if they were not round here in front. I don't know how I feel about them, but here they are. And then also they sent me these ones, these heels. Yeah. And they sent me they sent me pumps. Here are the pumps. Like, I'm sure you guys probably think I'm lying about the pumps part. They sent me these pumps. Like, when I go shopping, I don't even look at pumps. I don't know when was the last time I wore pumps. I think like in 20, sure, I don't know. It's just maybe in high school. Yeah, I think I was still in high school when I was still wearing pumps. Yeah, they sent me these in black. And they sent me these ones, boots. This is how they look. I think I would have liked them if, I don't know, if maybe they were shorter, or maybe if they're this long, then maybe not this material, and the heel maybe a bit, I don't know, thinner. I don't know, but yeah, they sent me these. And yeah, that's about it for this video. I don't know, let me know what you guys think about the items. If you like them, if you didn't like them, am I overreacting? I don't know, but like, I was just not happy with the items that I received. I'm not being ungrateful or anything like that. I just wish that they could have checked, or maybe they did check my style on Instagram and they, I don't know, like, I don't know, but like, it's very confusing. It's very confusing as to how they came up with the decision of bringing me these items. Maybe, I don't know, maybe they send me like their worst items so that I can make them look good. I don't know, like, it's just confusing. And I really appreciate them reaching out to me, but like, I don't like these items. I don't, like, I really don't. And I don't know, but I've got another video. There's another company that reached out to me, sending me stuff. So I'm quite excited about that one, because they also when they did contact me, they sent me items on their website. They showed me links of items to choose from, and I had like maybe like two items that I liked, but I didn't really like them. And I asked them if I can just, if they've got other options for me, and they show me like, no, you can go through our website and you can pick whatever you want us to send you. So, but I only had I think there was, how many items was it 4 or 5, I'm not quite sure, but like, I think that would have worked out better. Yeah, that is about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I by no means wanted to bash Fashion World for anything. It's just that I did not like the items at all. I have no reason to bash Fashion World, because on my previous video that I think I bought those clothes with my own money that I thought were great from Fashion World, and I really feel like they should have, I feel like there could have been other options that they did, like before sending me these items. And I'm not being ungrateful or anything like that. It's just that it's just not my style. Yeah, it's just not my style, and I'm really disappointed. And yeah, I have nothing else to say. Let me know what you guys think about the video. Did you like the video? Did you not like the video? What didn't you like about it? And comment down below and give it a thumbs up if you like it, and also subscribe to my channel.